How to connect Wix to Mailchimp. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to connect one of your Wix website together with our Mailchimp over here. So first things first, what you're going to do is you're going to select the specific site that you want to connect to. Let's say this site for now. After that, let's wait for it to load. You're going to look over here on the left side. You will be able to see the list of different features that we are able to check out over here in this specific website or site that we have in Wix. So this is our dashboard. Navigate to apps and click on App Market. The App Market will contain all kinds of applications that we could install into our site, which could improve or add some functionalities. Over here, simply type Mailchimp, click on enter, and then you will be able to see applications that are provided with Mailchimp. And as you can see here, we have an official one, Mailchimp over here. So all you need to do is you're going to install our Mailchimp over here into your Wix website or your Wix site over here, and then you will now be able to use its different feature together with your site. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.